I think the main differentiators for New Garden Landscaping over some of our competition is the professionalism of our employees, that we care about our clients in everything that we do. We work hard for training our employees to make sure that they're safe on the job sites, they're leaving a job site clean. We treat a maintenance project like it's our own home. We want to make sure that the pine needles are tucked, that the stripes in the yard are perfect, that the shrubs are pruned at the proper times of the year.
We are a part of every step with our customers, so they start with our sales and designer, and that moves forward into the install aspect of things. Our designers show up on the property while we are designing the property, and while we're actually physically installing it, they're showing up. They're making sure that the plan is done correctly to the standards in which not only the customer has approved, but the designer has approved. And then that just continues throughout. So once the install is done, our horticulture and agriculture team will come, and they know these plants inside out, upside down. We have many certified plant professionals. So from start to finish, our customers have care every step of the way and know that our employees and our team know what needs to be done for their yard.
I think the value that New Garden brings to the table is we've been a company that's been around for many, many years. Many of our crews have been here much longer than myself, and we are such a craftsman-oriented company. They bring my designs to life, and it's an ongoing long-term relation process is our ultimate goal. That we have a detailed-oriented crews that take such pride in their job, and they are true craftsmen.
A common misconception is that when you call New Garden Landscaping, you have to have everything figured out. We are here to help you with a team of designers that can help from concept to implementation. I think the biggest thing that is unique to New Garden Landscaping is that we can take care of every aspect of your landscape. Landscape maintenance, landscape install, small enhancements, your irrigation, service or installation, and your lawn care.